Welcome back to my channel, guys. So let's get right into the video. I already did my eyebrows and moisturized my face off camera. Now I'm taking my Infallible Pro Glow Concealer and I'm just applying that as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm blending that in with a damp beauty blender. Taking my Laura Mercier powder, I'm just setting that concealer on my eyelids. Using my Sonia Kashuk blush or any pink shadow that you would have, I'm just placing that all over my lid, making sure I get the inner corner of my eye. And then taking my concealer again, I'm just gonna do a cut crease, and it doesn't need to be perfect because we're gonna go over that later. And I'm just doing the same thing for the other eye. And then I'm setting that again with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Taking my e.l.f. glitter primer, I'm just gonna be applying that where I put the concealer. And I'm using this pigment from Makeup Geek, and I don't really remember the name of it, but I will leave that in the description box. And I'm just slightly dabbing that onto the glitter primer. And I know it's a pigment, but I didn't want it to get everywhere, that's why I used the glitter primer. And I'm just applying that everywhere where I put the primer. Did the same thing for the other eye. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Stiletto eyeliner. I ended up putting my foundation and doing my highlight and contour off camera because this video is focused on the eyes and the mouth and stuff, so I didn't want it to be a really long video. But I'm going in with my Maybelline, and then I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk blush and or that same eyeshadow that you placed on your eyelids, and I'm just placing that all over my face so I could be like a rosy, and I'm making sure I blend it in because I don't want to look too crazy. And then taking a black pencil, I'm drawing a little line. I'm gonna outline my top lip only with the black eyeliner, and I'm gonna take my Lime Crime lipstick. I'm gonna apply that just on my top lip. I'm gonna leave. And I'm gonna go over that line that I made from earlier with that same lipstick. Then I'm gonna apply some lashes. I'm taking some of that same liquid liner, and I'm just doing like a cat eye, I guess. It's self-explanatory. I'm just making my eyes look more like a cat, and then using that same liner again, I'm just, drawing a little triangle on my nose. Taking a black pencil, I'm just lining my waterline. I'm applying some mascara on my bottom lashes. And I'm taking some of that same pink shadow again, that pink blush, and I'm just applying that inside that little triangle I made on my nose, and I'm just blending that in a little bit. And I'm taking that same liquid liner. I'm doing 3 dots on my face, and I'm gonna just draw some whiskers very quickly. Just some straight lines. And then taking my Kat Von D lipstick or any pink lipstick that you have, just place that on the bottom lip. I'm just placing that on the bottom lip so that it can look a little more pink. And I took some of that same pigment I put on my eyelids and placed on my nose as a highlight. and I ended up highlighting my face. This is optional, but I really like to highlight, so I just placed some Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlight on my face. And I put some e.l.f. glitter primer again on my lips, and I'm just applying some black glitter. And this is a glam look, so we want to look like a glam kitty. And I set my face up with my Infallible Pro Glow and what is a cat look without cat ears. And voila, this is it. I went ahead and I put on a leather bustier, I think that's how you say it, and so a choker, and I'm done.